When I first started doing 3D design work, I thought I should try and make some programs that would make it easier to do. One of the first programs I created made 4 paper space viewports. As you can see, we have 1D plan view, 2D front view, and 3D is an end elevation. And in the upper right, we have our 3D perspective. One of the next programs I wrote took all of the external reference files and put them on a spatial layer named xref- so that I had a macro that all I had to do was type FXB and I could freeze everything in that viewport, and now I have where I'm going to work is perfectly clear and I can see what I'm doing. Now I can zoom into these viewports and draw whatever I might need to do. I'll start by just making a line that goes this direction, and I'm going to have it go in an X direction to a certain specific point. We'll choose there. And now maybe we need to go down an elevation, so we choose Z and we go down the Z axis and we'll just go to this part here. And then we may want to go in the Y in the up direction. If I go to this viewport, I can choose Y axis, and now I can pick over here, and you can see I've now created something in all 3 axes. Now when I'm all zoomed in but I need to look at everything again, I simply pick this button and it zooms out and I can see all the viewports, everything in them that I need to. As you can see, things are still quite congested, so I wrote a clip view program that allows me to narrow down what I'm looking at inside the model. We'll start with this small area here. We pick those 2 points, we go to this viewpoint so it's looking the same direction, and now we have that clip view created. We'll do another clip view. We're going to do this one across the model. We'll start with here, and we'll go over here just a short distance, go down to this viewport which matches the relationship side, side, and now we've done that. So now if we do a hide, we can see what that looks like. We go over here and see a hide. We see what that looks like, and now we're ready to do some design work. This made life a whole lot easier doing 3D design. This is just a few of many programs I've written to make myself really good at designing in 3D using AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.